Okay, now I'm going to show you how to multiply in Excel. It's pretty simple. You have a few options. I can do equals, enter my cell reference. Let's do P5 times O5. So that's just saying the asterisk symbol represents the multiplication symbol in Excel. So P5 asterisk O5 is P5 times O5. And there's my product. Now I can also do this a little easier. And now I could here just keep adding on N5 times M5. I can just keep stacking on cells here and get bigger and bigger numbers. Or I can make this a little easier on myself and do equals and then do the product formula. Product is going to multiply all the cells I give it. So then I can do P5 times O5 times N5, just separate these all by commas, and I can close parentheses, and it's going to give me the result. And that saves you a little bit of typing, I can make this even easier on myself, and instead of typing out each cell, I can just select the range of cells I want. That'll do. So L5 through P5, cells L5 colon P5 means every cell between L5 and P5. Hit enter, and there's my result.